Hi guys, it's Otto from Motorize It, and today I'll be showing you how to add a second RTS remote control to a motor that already has one program. So I'll be using a Telus 4, which has already been linked to the motor behind me, and I'll be adding a smooth RTS remote control, which is a wall remote control. So let's see how we do this. First of all, because it's a 5-channel remote control, I need to select the right channel, which in my case is channel 2. The light will start blinking, and I can now add a motor, which is done by opening the memory of the motor, and that is done by turning over the remote control and pressing the prog button with my pen. As you can see, and as you have heard, the motor has responded, which means the memory is now open and another remote can be added. So I'll take this remote control. On the back is the prog button as well, which is here, and I'll press that until the motor responds. So now both remotes have been linked to this motor and both can control it. So let's see if it works. I'll press the up button, and indeed the motor is rolling up. I'm going to press down, it's going down. I'll test that for the old remote as well. Still working, so everything has worked as it should. So that's how easy it is to add another remote. If you want to add a third remote, you can do it with either one of those, again with the same procedure. So just press the prog button on the old one or the original one, then press the prog button on the new one. And that's it. If you have any other questions, or if you want to know more about RTS motors, let me know. You can leave a comment below the video, or you can go to the website, which is www.motorize.it. Thank you. See you next time.